Hello, first graders. I'm glad you came for a math lesson today. Today, you will need your math kit. You'll need your 10 frame, 120 chart, counting chips, white erase marker, white dry erase marker if you have one. If you don't have any of these materials, that is okay because everything you need will be on the Seesaw activity. Make sure you're watching closely. Today, we are going to talk about friendly tens and how they'll help us with big numbers. So we're going to make use of a 10 when adding 2-digit and 1-digit numbers together. First, I'm going to remind you what friendly tens looked like when we used them with smaller numbers, and then I'm going to show you how to use that same strategy to create a friendly 10 on larger numbers. So first, let's review what we've already done. Say I have the math equation 6 plus 8 equals a mystery number. Six plus 8 is a mystery number. Now 6 plus 8 is hard for me to think about, but I know that 8 is pretty close to 10. So let's take our chips and put them into the 10 frame, and I'll show you how to make your friendly 10 to help you add. So here's my 8, and I'm going to borrow 2 from my 6 to fill up my 10 frame. And now I have 4 plus 10 equals 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Friendly 10 helped us count. Let's do another one. Let's say I have the equation 9 plus 5 equals a mystery number. Well, let's put our 9 up here. And then 5. Now I can say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I sure could. But we're doing friendly tens today so that you can use that strategy to help you with larger numbers. So what can I do here to make myself a friendly 10? That's right, I can move the 9 over into the 10 frame, and I can borrow 1 from the 5 to create my 10. We're going to borrow 1 from the 5, so that makes our equation 10 plus 4 equals 14. Let's do one more together. What if I had the equation 2 plus 9 equals a mystery number? Well, here's 2. Now let's put up 9. What can I do to make a friendly 10 to help me add faster? You're right, I can borrow 1 from the 2 and stick it into the empty space to make a 10. Now my equation becomes 1 plus 10 equals 11. Notice when I moved the chips around, I did not take away or add any chips to the total number of chips in the math equation. The total number does not change, only how you have them arranged. Let's take a look at the Seesaw activity. The Seesaw activity will have 2 examples, one here, one here, and a finishing slide. The rest are things for you to practice on your own. Let me show you how this will work. For the first one, we're going to add 3 numbers together. So let's use the 10 frames to help us make a friendly 10. Our original equation is 7 plus 4 plus 7 equals a mystery number, but that's a lot of numbers to think about. Instead, let's create a friendly 10 to help us add. 7, and move 4 over, with 1 left. Now I have my friendly 10, and I've got 1 left in the box. 10 plus 1 equals 11. But you say, wait a minute, what about this group of candies right here? That's what's coming next. So we've already done 10 plus 1 equals 11, and now we're going to add 7 more. I'm going to use the highlighter tool to show you how to use the 120 chart to help you. You've done 10 plus 1, you got 11. Start at 11. So 11 goes here. Add 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do we land on? We land on 18. 11 plus 7 equals 18. Let me show you how you can prove that or check it. I will use the highlighter tool again in a different color. Let's go back to our original equation. 7 plus 4 plus 7 equals a mystery number. First, find the 7. 7. Now add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the same number as when we created a friendly 10 and moved the candies over. 7 plus 4 is the same as 10 plus 1. It equals 11. Now we still have this 7 to add. Let's add 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did we land on the same number? We sure did. We landed on 18. Now I know that 7 plus 4 plus 7 is the same as 10 plus 1 plus 7. Let's do an example with larger numbers. Whew, I know you look at this and say, wow, those are pretty big numbers. How in the world am I ever going to do this? Let me show you. 69 plus 4. Now, yes, you for sure could say 69 and then add 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Absolutely, you could do that. But remember, we're practicing friendly 10s to help you add larger numbers in the future in your mind. So, let's do 69. You could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you could just say, this is 10. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. And then over here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, in order to make a friendly 10, we want to move one of these over to this empty 10 frame spot. So let's move that one to here. So we end up with 70 plus, how many are left in the small 10 frame? 3. And we can say 70, 71, 72, 73. So our answer is 73. Let me prove it to you. We'll start here and we'll say 69 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We landed on 73. Now I'll use a different color and we'll start on 70 plus 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Same number. So we know that 69 plus 4 is the same as 70 plus 3. Okay, the rest you do on your own, first graders. If you have any questions, make sure to send me a note. And when you get to the end, yay, you'll be finished. I look forward to seeing your great thinking.